Osmo Action 6 First Use. Camera layout. The camera features a lens and a touchscreen on its front. The sides are equipped with the quick switch button, USB-C port, battery compartment, and microSD card slot, while the back has the rear touchscreen. The shutter button can be found on the top of the camera, and the quick release slots for fast connection to other accessories are on the bottom. Attaching the battery and charging. Open the battery compartment cover. Make sure the battery is properly inserted. The camera has built-in storage and supports microSD cards for storage expansion. Close the battery compartment cover. When the battery cover is properly closed, the red marks on the bottom will not be visible. Open the USB-C port cover. Connect a USB-C charger to the USB-C port using the provided cable. When charging is complete, close the cover. You can place 3 batteries into the multifunctional battery case for simultaneous charging. Activation. Make sure to activate the camera using DJI Mimo before first use. Press and hold the power button to power on the camera. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen to download and install the DJI Mimo app. Run the app, register your account, and then log in. Tap the camera icon on the home screen, and then click Connect on the corresponding device name. When the verification code appears, click Accept. Follow the prompts in the app to activate the camera. After successfully activating the camera, the app will display a prompt. If you have purchased or plan to purchase DJI Care services, you need to complete the purchase and binding within 30 days of activation. Once activation is complete, you can use the camera. Firmware update. Once connected, a prompt will appear in DJI Mimo when new firmware is available. To ensure an optimal experience, it is recommended to update your camera to the latest firmware version immediately. Before an update, make sure the battery level is sufficient. On the home screen of the app, click Download and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. When the firmware is successfully updated, the camera will automatically restart, and a prompt will appear telling you that the update has been successful. Button features. Press and hold the quick switch button to power on the camera. After powering on, press the quick switch button to switch between shooting modes. Press the shutter. Record button to take a photo or to start or stop recording. During video or slow motion video recording, you can press the quick switch button to mark highlights, helping you to quickly locate specific moments during post-editing while reducing the time to find highlights. When the camera is powered off, press and hold the shutter button to quickly start shooting using the snapshot feature, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. The camera will automatically power off if left idle for 3 seconds. Accessories. The quick release adapter mount features a magnetic quick release design, allowing for flexible switching between multiple positions and accessories. Use the Osmo Action curved adhesive mount to attach the camera to curved surfaces such as helmets. Visit the DJI website to view a detailed list of compatible accessories. The multifunctional battery case can store up to 3 batteries and 2 microSD cards. When the batteries are inserted into the battery case, it can also be used as a power bank to charge the other devices such as a smartphone.